Let's now take a look at a few famous probability distributions, and more importantly at the discrete ones at this point. Yeah? The first one we're going to look at is the Bernoulli distribution, parameterized by one parameter p. And you can associate this distribution with a coin toss. So there's two options: either x is 1, and that happens with a probability p, or the other scenario, x is 0, and that happens with a parameter 1 minus p. Yeah, because we know that the sum of all probabilities must be 1. We've seen that. The expected value we can quickly calculate. Expected value equals, we remember, it's the probabilities times the value. It's the weighted average actually. So px is p when x is 1, plus is 1 minus p when x is 0. So this is 0 and p times 1 is p. Okay, this is p. Expected value in the case of Bernoulli is p. Now the variance, and we remember the variance as the formula expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x squared. Now this we know, this is p squared. Yeah. And this one is 1 times, is 1 times the chance that it happens is p. Yeah. The 1 comes from 1 squared, right? X is 1, 1 squared is 1. So that is p times 1 minus p. Yeah, that's the variance of the Bernoulli distribution.